We're going to be looking at how to use multifunctional grip editing. Grips allow you to reshape, move, or manipulate objects in your drawing. Multifunctional grips are object-specific options. You can see what options are available to you by hovering over the grip of the selected object. The options are different depending on the type of object selected. Not all objects inside of AutoCAD have multifunctional grips available. I'm going to be working in a schematic drawing. I want to copy this resistor block to a new location. I select the block. On this block, I only have a single grip, which is the insertion point. If I hover over the grip, no multifunctional options are available. That's because multifunctional options are only available for certain objects, like lines, polylines, arcs, splines, and hatches. I select the grip to make it hot. The grip turns red. I right-click and select Copy. I then move the block to the desired location. I press Escape to release my selection. I'm going to convert the middle segment of this polyline from a line to an arc. I hover over the middle grip and then choose the Convert to Arc option. You don't really see that it is changed to an arc until I select the grip and stretch it over. To convert it back to a line, I hover over the middle grip and then choose the Convert to Line option. I then use the grip to reset the line. I'm going to move over to this polyline and use a multifunctional grip to add a vertex or point. I select the polyline, I hover over a grip, I choose the Add Vertex option, I shift right click to use the nearest option to place my new vertex. I then use my grips to adjust my polyline to a new shape. I zoom over to this arc. I want to lengthen it. I select the arc. I hover over the grip at the endpoint. I select the Lengthen option. I then move the endpoint to the desired location. Sometimes we move through our drawings so quickly we forget to hover. To use the options in multi-grip function, hovering is essential. Depending on the object selected, different multifunctional options are available. In this lesson, we use the multifunctional options available in polylines and arcs.